Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Osmo Pocket accessories and we're gonna have a wireless base, I think action mount adapter, and the wheel for better gimbal control. I forgot the official names for all this, but let's find out what they look like. Oh yeah, oh yes, I completely forgot about this one. Here, this is the audio adapter, and now I'll be able to test my Osmo Pocket with proper audio. Like, this is a genuine DJI part because there's no other. This is an Osmo Pocket 3mm adapter, actually that's what it is called. I'm like super happy to receive this finally because it's been a while since I was complaining about Osmo Pocket's audio performance. And coming to the Osmo Pocket expansion kit, I have the wheel here. I was actually curious about the wheel myself. That's why I got it. And I know that it doesn't make sense to have the Osmo Pocket action mount because I already have a third-party mount that I'm actually very happy about. But still, I went ahead and got the full set, and that's why we are unboxing it now. Let's open from where it says we should open it from. Boom. Slide the blade nice and clean. And here we are. Here we are. Yes. Wow, this is actually small. I wasn't expecting the Wi-Fi base to be as small. I mean, take a look at this. I mean, you guys know that Osmo is a small machine, but this Wi-Fi base, oh my god, it's tiny. Like, this will not cause any issues when I'm carrying Osmo around. Wow. And of course we have another USB 3 port out. I really like it. And here we have the wheel. I tested the wheel during the product launch. As you may remember, if you're a longtime follower of this channel, I was at the product launch in New York. This is also a very dividing accessory, I would say, because some people think that it's a good idea to grab this, some people think that it's a waste of money, but in any case, I have one now, and here's the famous action mount adapter. It looks pretty good. Like, these are my obviously first impressions. I saw people suffering from how to open and lock it in, but I'm seeing that it's quite easy. I'm sure it will be a lot tighter once the Osmo is in here, but this doesn't look like a very demanding thing to do. Like, you just need to make sure that this part has the necessary edge, and then, yeah, I don't know what the fuzz was about. Autofocus, please. Thank you. So here we have the expansion set. Let me see if we have anything else left in the box. We have some documentation here. Let's take a quick look at the documentation. And of course the SD card is here. Here it is, the 32 gigabytes of storage. And we have individual documentation, control wheel, wireless module. I was calling it Wi-Fi base. Apparently the official name is wireless module. Control wheel and accessory mount. Okay, I called it action mount as well. So Osmo Pocket accessory mount, control wheel, wireless module. Accessory mount here. Should I put it this way? Here. Controller wheel here, and the Wi-Fi base here. So there we go. And of course the audio adapter. This is kind of what you need to really capitalize on full potential of Osmo Pocket. I really like what I have here. It cost me a little bit, but hey, it is worth it. I really like the form factor of Osmo Pocket. I can show you some examples of my earlier work with it. I can easily use it as a travel gimbal, and that's the intended purpose of use. Yes. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel for individual reviews of each part. I think I'm gonna make great use of this kit, and thanks a lot for watching. And obviously, see you on the next one. Arrivederci.